Hey guys, my husband's been wanting chicken wings for a while now, and I've never made them, so I've been looking around at some recipes. This one looked pretty basic. It did not give measurements. I guess it was just a to taste kind of thing. So, which in this case is okay because I don't want to make a big batch of them, and if we don't like them, ruin the wings. So I just got a small bunch of wings. A tip was to use a disposable pan because it'll get really messy. So it's a little bigger than I needed, but it's the one I had on hand, so we're going with it. And it said to use teriyaki, so I've got that. I think I'm going to have to take the lid off. Barbecue. Just a little soy sauce. The oven is set at 425, so I'm going to put those in every 20 minutes. You're supposed to come and stir them, turn them, make sure they're staying coated, because as this sauce starts to thicken, it'll stick a lot better on all sides. So we'll check it in 20 minutes. Okay guys, I am sorry that I didn't turn the camera on when I was finishing these. Guests stopped by, so I just went ahead and let them finish. And before my guests left, they did taste them, and they actually like them. So I'm going to let my husband try it. And then if he likes them, I probably won't try a lot of other recipes. So anyway, I just wanted to pop in and show you what they look like at the end. They do look just like the pictures. So we'll see. But anyway, I hope you have a great Sunday. Bye.